Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm going to be introducing you to the Ecoviva Mate4. This is a UV countertop reverse osmosis water filtering system. And yes, that's a mouthful because this fairly small product does a whole bunch of really cool stuff to make sure you're getting extremely pure, clean drinking water. And it really is great. It's a self-contained system, not something you have to set up or connect to your sink system or your regular water system. It's just countertop, completely all in one. It has a nice large tank that holds just over a gallon of water for filtering at a time. And then it has a large reverse osmosis filtering system built inside of it. It is a 6-stage filtering system, so it's going to get everything out. And then it has this nice little dispenser here on the front. Nice little digital display here that gives you all the pertinent information, lets you know the particles per million that are in the water, how clean your water is that you're getting through this. Nice little drip tray down at the bottom, magnetic drip tray that sticks on there. You stick your cup under here, you select the amount of water you want, and there's 3 volume selections you can choose from. One is just over half a cup. The next level is about 1.25 cups, and then the last one is about 2 cups. So you select that first, and then you can select your temperature. And that's another really awesome thing about this water filtering system, is that you can get the perfect temperature of water you need for whatever you're using it for. You can get just the room temperature water just as it is, but you can also get 3 levels of heat. There's a baby bottle level, there's a coffee and tea level, and then there is a boiling water level. So 3 levels of heated water, which it makes it really great if you're making a cup of coffee, a cup of hot chocolate, you want to make some tea, or even if you just need to get some hot water to use to make a bowl of instant oatmeal or something like that. You can use the water from this so you know you're getting clear, clean water for that. This six-stage filter has a PP cotton filter that helps take out sediment and dust. It then has a fine PP membrane which removes chlorine odor. It's got scale inhibitor layer, RO membrane, coconut membrane. So it's getting out everything. It removes 99.99% of over 1,000 contaminants. That includes things like PFOAs, PFOSs, heavy metals, chlorine, and nitrates. And then finally, it has a UV ultraviolet light that clears the water out as well to kill any microbes or anything like that. So the water you're getting out of here is extremely clean, extremely purified water. That coconut membrane that's right at the last helps remove any type of odor or flavor from the water, so that you get really great drinking water. It's really easy to use. The tank, you just take the tank off, and anytime it gets to the point where the water needs to be replaced, this will let you know. You take the tank off, you take it over to the sink, you dump out the little bit of water that's remaining in there, then you refill it with fresh water, put it back on here, and then it will start pulling in water to run it through the filtering system and have it set in the reservoir inside of here so that it's ready for you when you're ready to get your cup or 2 cups of water for your purposes. The cartridge that's in here lasts approximately a year, but it just of course is going to depend on how frequently you use it. But with average use, you'll have to replace it about once a year, which is not bad at all. And it's very easy to replace. You just take the top off here. It comes with a wrench you can use to help twist the filter top, and then you pull it out, put the new one in, put the top back on, and then you're good to go. So very easy. I really love this machine. I love how small it is. It doesn't take a lot of space. It's about 8.25 inches wide, about 14.25 inches deep, and that includes all the way to the front of the tray at the bottom. And then it's just under 14 inches high. So it doesn't take up a lot of space on your counter, but again, holds over a gallon of water so that you always have filtered, clean water ready for you, ready to be dispensed whenever you want it. It's so easy. It does have a safety lock, so if you want water other than the room temperature, you have to hold that lock button down for a couple of seconds to unlock the heated water, and that's for safety, obviously. And then you select the amount of water you want, you select the temperature you want the water, and then it goes to dispensing water for you. So very easy to use. This is an excellent product by Ecoviva. If you want to get clean, filtered water in your home, but you don't want to go through all the trouble of installing some complicated system underneath your kitchen sink or anything like that, you just want to do it the easiest way possible, this can't be beat. Small footprint, throw it on your counter, fill the tank with water, you're good to go. Anytime you want clean filtered water, it's there for you. And the fact that you can get the amount you need at the temperature you want just makes this a really, really excellent product by Ecoviva. Definitely one that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, share the video with them. All those videos are down there. If you have any questions about the product, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.